Guys, welcome back to our channel TechPro. I am fine, hope you guys as well doing well. So today I am going to talk about VHD, which is also known as virtual hard drive. That means you can create a hard drive to virtually on your PC. Suppose you have to you have a multiple volume, that is a physical volume on your computer, and if you don't want to create another physical volume for your PC, this method will help you out. If you create a multiple physical volume on your PC, then it might be effect means damage your hard drive. For that VHD, you can create which is saved as a file and give a simple volume for you. Also install the OS under that VHD. To create the VHD, you need to follow me and don't forget me subscribe the TechPro channel. Let's go the demo. First of all, we can select the start option. Just right click on the start option. Here showing multiple option here. So I'm going to choose disk management. As you can see, all the partition is configured now. What I do is I need to go action, click on the create VHD. Now here select browse option, where need to save the VHD file in my case I save the VHD file under the C drive. Click on the browse option, choose the C drive, enter the file name. So in this case I give Samba. So you can give any file name, just click on the save option. So after that you can select a virtual hard disk size. So here multiple option is there, MB, GB, TB. So as per our requirement I can choose the GB. So select the 5 GB. So another option called virtual disk format, VHD and VHDX. If you want less than 2 TB size, you can select VHD. If you want more than 2 TB, then you can select the VHD option. So in this case I chose VHD only. So after that there is a virtual hard disk type. So your hard disk is fixed type, that is you cannot expand above 5 GB, means you can choose the fixed size. Otherwise you can select the dynamic expanding. Dynamically expanding, so if your disk is full, you need to increase the above 5 GB, it automatically expand the dynamic expanding. That option will be very useful, but I choose to fixed size only. Click on OK. Here creating the virtual disk, you can see that progress, green color state. Okay, before create the virtual hard disk, so I can show you that it already configured already in my computer. So click on the my computer. As you can see that 3 partition already configured, C, E, F. This 3 partition already configured. Just minimize the screen. Progress of creating the virtual disk. Okay, is completed. So after created the virtual hard disk, the disk will be not initialized. That means the disk is not online. So we need to manually click on that online initialize and initialize the disk and online. So click on the disk, just right click, initialize the disk. So after click the initialize disk, the window will open. This is the window. So there is two option to format the disk, like MBR and GPT. So which option you can select the partition style. So I will suggest you click on the MBR. So after that, click on that unallocated space. Just right click, new simple volume. Click on the next option. So click on the next. So if you want to choose any other drive letter, so I can choose anything. So just click on the N. Then you can give the volume label. That is a drive name. So I can choose any number, any name, VHD. Then click on the next. Click on the finish. So it will formatting the virtual hard disk. Okay, it's completed. So you can see that virtual hard disk is mounted in my computer, that is mapped in my computer. That is a 5 GB. So open the my VHD, just create any file, test file. I create one test file. Okay, it's created. So what is the use of VHD? For example, if you want to transfer the VHD to another system over the network, or you can take the backup of VHD, you can mount the VHD to another system through remotely, so it will be helpful. See that I can show you the demo. If you want detach the VHD, the VHD file will be detached, but the file will be placed in a C drive only. See, you can see that Samba. I already created name, right? The Samba. This is a VHD, 5 GB size VHD. So if you want, the VHD will be mount another system through remotely or over the network. So you can copy the VHD, then paste it in network location, then mount the VHD to another system. But in this case, I can show you just detached and mount again. Again, go to the action option, attach the VHD. Click on the browse option, select the file location drive, click on the Samba, click on the OK. The VHD is mounted. You just right click on the VHD, open. Already I created one test file, right? The file will be there, it's not deleted. So this is a way to create VHD in disk management tool. Hope this video really helpful for you. See you guys next video. I will show you any related things. Thank you everyone. Bye.